Hi, today I'm going to be doing exam 4, question 6, part A. And we got this integral, and we need to do the antiderivative of all of these functions. So the first thing I would do is break it up and rewrite. So I would do minus integral square of x minus, and then you can break this up, and then these would cancel, so you would have x squared, and then over here you would have 1 over x. So you could just do integral, and then this should be in parentheses just to be safe, because we have this negative, or let me write that better. There we go. X squared plus integral 1 over x minus, minus integral 3e, 3e to the x dx. Almost forgot that. So then I would do that, and then take the antiderivative. So here you get 4x to 7 over 7 minus, you can rewrite this into a power, 1 over 2. Now you can take the antiderivative of that. So then you would get x to the 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. And then minus x to the 3rd over 3. And then if we distribute that negative, it would be negative now instead of positive. So then you get minus ln absolute x. And then over here you just get minus 3e to the x. And then you can simplify more if you want. It'll be 4x to the 7 over 7 minus, we dot flip, it'll be 1. I believe it would be 2x to the 3 over 2. Anyways, then you would get over here, if you copy that flip, 2x 3 over 2 over 3. And then over here, you just get minus x to the 3rd over 3. You get minus ln absolute x minus 3e to the x. And plus c. Do not forget your plus c. It's so important. I forget it all the time. Plus c plus. Hi. Now we're going to be doing part C of exam 4, question 6. And we have this problem here. And what I'm going to do for this kind of problem is do u step. So I'm going to do u equals 2x plus 3, because we can clearly tell with the parentheses and everything what our u is. And then du is supposed to be your derivative. So the derivative of this would be 2, it would be 2, right? And then 2 dx, and then you would divide these, and your dx would equal du over 2. And then you want to use this to be able to, dx would equal du over 2, and you want to use this to cancel out sometimes over here. So you would do x u to the 3rd times du over 2, but then we see there's nothing really to cancel out. So we need to find what our x is. So 2 minus 3 equals 2x. And then you would divide 2 to both of these terms, and you would get u minus 3 over 2 equals x. So then, now that we know what our x is, we can do integral u minus 3 over 2, and then u to the third times du over 2. And then, pause it. So then you get this, and then we could take this constant out. So then you'd have 1/2 integral, and then you can split these, u over 2 minus 3 over 2, and then u to the third times du, and this is all together, and the d should be on the outside. And then now you can finally take your integral.
Yep.
So then, pause it. Okay, so now we have this, and we can take our antiderivative. So then we have 1/2 to the 5th. We know that it will be 5 times 2, so we get 10 minus 3u to the 4th over 3 times 2, or no, it'll be 4 times 2, so then you get 8, and then, let me not be, oh yeah, we can do brackets, yeah. And then plus c, don't forget your plus c, and then your final answer, if you combine them and then plug in your u, you would get 2x plus 3 to the 5th over 20 minus 2x plus 3 to the 4th over 16 plus c. And that will be your final answer.